Today I'm in the stylist seat and it feels good, okay? Don't get me wrong, I love to do my hair and I enjoy it. It's my me time and all, but every now and then it feels good to have somebody else actually do my hair for me. So I am soaking up every minute of this, okay? So welcome to my channel and thank you for joining. This is going to be a quick video, a quick protective style on my hair. Like I said, it's an updo with cornrows and some two-strand twist fall into the face. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this and also to like this video. Yeah, as in go right now to the bottom of the video and where you see that thumbs up image, just click on it. Okay, you see that? All right, thank you, my love. And I mean, did you see the subscribe button as well? You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but at least I figured a thumbs up doesn't cost you anything, right? Just give it a thumbs up and then let's move on to the rest of the video. All right, so my stylist here has parted my hair. She's left a section there at the top where we're going to do the two-strand twist. And here at the back, we're just going to do those cornrows going towards the middle on both sides, and that's going to be our updo kind of look, right? She did leave some hair at the back there in the middle section, and she said she's going to do two-strand twists in that small section. I didn't quite see the need for it, but I was like, guess what? You're not the chef in the kitchen today, so just mind your business and allow her to cook, you know. So she's just doing her thing. I'm trying to keep my mouth shut and not be a pompous client. All right. And overall, she's doing a great job. We are very pleased with everything that's going on here. I mean, it's true that her parting needs a little bit of work. I mean, I'm not one to talk. It's not like my parting game is that, you know, better, but man, oh gosh, I hope she doesn't say this because she might get mad and not do my hair next time. But anyway, um yeah, that's how we're doing it. She's using shine and jam on the edges there, not the edges, what am I talking about, you know, the parts, to try to make them a little bit clean from the kind of, you know, it's not looking the best, but at least with the shine and jam it's going to be better. Oh gosh, I hope she really doesn't see this. This is how come and lose my newly acquired stylist when she hears me talking all this nonsense about her parting game in the video. Anyway, if you're watching sweetheart, you know it's all in fun, right? I appreciate your your styling skills and all the help, you know, all the pampering. Thank you so much for doing my hair. You guys know it turned out well. You saw the thumbnail, so you know the hairstyle was given. She did a good job. Okay, I'm just goofing around. All right, so I'm going to just let you watch the video in silence. Not silence, play some music for y'all, and then I'll just come back later. Okay. So I guess now you see that the role of that middle part that she left for the 2-strand twist there at the back, that's just going to help her when she's braiding upwards, so that she'll have 3 parts, kind of like a braid, to braid upwards. You see, she's a genius. She knew exactly what she was doing. I questioned this at the beginning. My bad. I did question, and I was like, why do we need it? But I was like, you know what? And it turned out that she really needed it. You see, this is great. Alright, that is our final look. I think she did a really great job. I love my hairstyle so much, and I wore this for about 2.5 weeks. I would just moisturize it lightly every 3 days or so, spritz it with my aloe juice, and apply some shea butter. And that was it. And I would apply some sulfate on my scalp to avoid dandruff. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up if you didn't already, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So this was 2 weeks later. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.